Hi, I'm Ayan, and as I told you in my previous videos that these characters are divided in web series, movies and minifigures. So let's go into the video. This is Spider-Man, which you're seeing right in here. So he has his four claws, which are golden in color, and he has his iron suit on, which Tony Stark made it, and it's pretty cool. And this is my one of my favorite characters in the Marvels. So I'll show you up. I will show you a bit of closely. And yeah, he also has two faces. One is a normal face, and one is a when he says the auto kill. That's the one face. So I also have to show something of Spider-Man, which is out here, right here. So this is a spider punch thingy. I don't know what's this. And this is the Peter Parker's head. So here's the head. He has a smiley face. So let me just take out the head. Yeah, and for this claws, these can be also rotated all around and can be moved front back like this. And for the look, can be rotated all the way around. I'm just going to take out Spider-Man's head and take out these and put Peter Parker's head. So yeah, here is the Peter Parker's head. So he's in his iron suit and he has a smiley face and a cool hair. As you have seen Spider-Man, so I'm gonna show the next one. So next is Iron Man, and this is the Iron Man Mark 85, and he has this something like this, and this is the thing which gives him the boost, and he has this thing, and at the edge it is very sharp. Please don't touch this at the edge. And he has a shield to protect him, and he has the pretty cool things, and he has very good details. So and I'll show you all the way around. So as you have seen Iron Man, now let's go to next. So the next is Doctor Strange, and Doctor Strange is a time controller, so that so he can control time, and he has these two things which can act as a shield, and he can teleport others to one place and to other place. So now I'll show you all the way around. So as you have seen Doctor Strange, I'll show the others too. So the next up is Ant-Man, and he has his helmet. So Ant-Man can change when he presses this. There will be a button, and when he presses that button, he will become as small as an ant. But this is a bigger version of him. No, a normal version. So he has his helmet and the suit, and he has his a gun, and maybe he's about to shoot someone. I don't know. So here's the all the way look around. Yeah. So here it is, the Ant-Man without his helmet, and he has some this thing, and it's pretty cool. I like it. So as you have seen Ant-Man, Spider-Man, and as you have seen Ant-Man, Spider-Man, Iron Man, and Doctor Strange, I have a surprise for you. So the surprise is the Lego Ninjago Season 12 Lloyd's Arcade Pod, and this is a pretty cool build. Man, I love this. So he has a video game controller and his symbol all too, and this is his box which I got. So there are two minifigures in it. One is a Digiloid and one is a Avatar Lloyd, and I'll show you later in this video. So look at the back of the box. It says that no, it shows that there are two minifigures. One is the Digiloid, and here it is, the body and the legs, and he has and he comes with so many weapons and a 3 lives thing. So this is how it looks when this is the second Lloyd, which is the Avatar Lloyd, and here's the side of the box. Now let's open it and see. So here's the inside part. He has a sword, a bat, a light stick, and the Avatar's Lloyd's head. So I'll take out and show you what's down here. So here's the body and the legs of the Avatar Lloyd, and here's the Digiloid, and he has 2 faces. So he has this very cool suit. Man, I like this suit. So I got this from the actual Lego. So now I'll build the Avatar Lloyd. This is the Digiloid, and he has a pretty cool sword, which I like it, and he has only 3 lives. So maybe he has some fun life or something. I don't know. So this is the Digiloid, and he has 2 faces, which I showed you already. One is a game face and one is the normal face. And now I'm gonna show you the other Lloyd. So this is the this is the Avatar Lloyd, and he has the hair. I like it, and he has this thing. I also like it. And he has a bat with it. It comes as a bat. So here's the Avatar Lloyd. He comes with a bat, and he is showing his abs, and I like it. So here's the all the way look around for both of them. So as you have seen, the both of the Lloyds, and I'll show you what's inside this too. So you get a stud, golden stud, and you get the instruction paper. So it's like this. So it's like that, and you get the sticker, which I've already put in at the sides and out here too and out here. So, and there are also some extra stickers out here. As you can see, there's some extra stickers, but I don't like to put it. So there's also this paper, but I don't know what they gave me. So there are also two, which is Kai and J Avitha, but I only got the Lloyds. So there are also extra weapons, which is being shown here at the back. So yeah, these are the extra weapons. These two are swords. I don't know what is this. And this is the thing which is this is the thing which is Avitha Lloyd having. This is the same thing which is like this, and this is also this is the thing which Jay has. This is the same thing, and this is the same thing which Lloyd has here right now. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. Bye.